Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a happy family. First, I'm drawing the mother. She's wearing a skirt. Now I'm drawing the boy. He is wearing a short. He loves to play football. And now I'm drawing the girl. She is wearing a cute dress. She loves to play with her dolls. Now I'm drawing the father. The father loves his kids very much. The whole family love each other so much. It's a beautiful and happy family. Let's color together. Red for heart. Brown. Cream color for skin. Yellow. Green. Light blue. Blue. Yellow for hair. Cream color for skin. Red. Pink. Red. Brown. Cream color for skin. Orange. Light blue. Blue. Yellow for hair. Cream color for skin. Purple. Pink. Orange. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.